On July 17, 1996, a Boeing 747 took off from New York's JFK Airport, heading for Paris. Just 12 minutes later, it exploded in mid-air over the Atlantic Ocean. This was Trans World Airlines Flight 800, and all 230 people on board were killed instantly. The tragedy shocked America, but the question remained, was it an accident or something far more sinister? At 8:31 p.m., the aircraft was flying off the coast of Long Island when a massive explosion tore through it. Witnesses on the ground reported seeing a bright streak of light rising into the sky. Some believed it looked like a missile heading toward the plane. Moments later, a huge fireball appeared, and the 747 broke apart in midair. The wreckage fell into the ocean, and despite immediate rescue efforts,
the FBI
no
and the National
survivors.
Transportation Safety Board,
NTSB, launched one of the most complex investigations in U.S. history. Divers recovered thousands of pieces of wreckage from the ocean floor, and investigators painstakingly reconstructed the entire jet inside a hangar. Rumors and theories spread quickly. Some claimed it was a terrorist attack. Others believed it was an accidental missile strike by the U.S. Navy. But after 4 years of testing and analysis, the NTSB discovered the real cause. The explosion began inside the center fuel tank, where flammable vapors had built up. A short circuit in the electrical wiring likely created a spark that ignited those vapors. That tiny spark caused a catastrophic explosion that destroyed the entire aircraft. There was no evidence of a missile or bomb. The final report concluded that TWA Flight 800 was a tragic accident, one that changed aviation safety forever. Boeing redesigned fuel tank wiring, and the FAA introduced new safety rules, including nitrogen inerting systems to make fuel vapors less flammable. Thanks to those changes, modern aircraft are far safer today. All 230 lives on Flight 800 were lost that night, but their legacy lives on in every safer flight that takes off today. Because sometimes, even a single spark can change the world.